This Realty One Group Select property video is presented by Ken Ledbetter. Welcome to this beautiful and spacious home in the highly desirable Waterland subdivision. The home features 3,200 square feet, 2 stories with a finished basement. First floor has open floor plan with gas fireplace in living room, half bath, and kitchen with stainless steel appliances. Second floor includes loft area with master suite with large bathroom and walk-in closet, 2 other bedrooms, and full bathroom. Laundry room is also located on the second floor for convenience. The full basement has a large open entertaining area which includes a full kitchen, full bathroom and bedroom. Enjoy the community amenities which include pool with splash pad with slides and playground. Close to great restaurants and shopping. For more information